friends, I welcome you all in the lecture series of Basics of Python. This is lecture number 16. So today I am going to show you how to build a simple calculator using conditional statement and functions. So let's go to the Google Colab. Okay. So in this lecture I will create a simple calculator. So the idea behind this calculator is I will print some option. For example, for addition enter 1, for subtraction enter 2, for multiplication enter 3, and for division enter 4. So based on the input or the choice, I will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. To perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, I will create some function. Those function will be called whenever the input is provided from the user. So I will start with the creating functions. Okay, so how to create function? Last lecture we saw how to create function. For that I have to write keyword f, name of the function I am using name add to perform addition, and my variables are a comma b. Okay, so these are two variables and it will return a plus b. Okay, so add function add two numbers a and b and it will return addition of these two numbers. Now let's create another function to perform subtractions. For that I should write def sub. The sub will be the name of the function. It will perform subtraction of number, second number from first number. So a and b are the variables. Okay, so it will return a subtraction b. Okay, now let's create function for multiplication. So def mul and a comma b are my variable. Okay, so it will return a multiplication b. Okay, now let's create one function for division. So def div, okay, a comma b, and it will return a divide b. So I have created this function. So these functions are called based on the user input. Okay, so for take user input, first I have to print some options. Okay, so let me print some options. So initially I will print welcome to the simple calculator. Okay, so initially it welcomes us. Next it will print choose the option. Okay, so which option I want to choose? So I should write print 1 for addition. Okay, print 2 for subtraction. Print 3 for multiplication, and print 4 for division. Okay, so initially it will print all these lines. So it will ask you to choose one option from this. So now I have to create one variable. Let me create one variable CHOI or else operation. Let me create one variable operation. So this operation contain which operation I have to perform. So let me input enter the option of T and O and enter the option 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, so it is asking for option. Okay, now so once the option is entered by the user, it will ask for the input first number and second number. So let me write first number a. So a should be float value. Okay, so float, it should be input. Okay, enter the first number. Okay, enter the first number, then it will ask for the second number. So b is equal to the float input, enter the second number. Okay, so initially it is asking for which operation we want to perform: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is for addition, 2 is for subtraction, 3 is for multiplication, and 4 is for division. So after that it will ask for the first number and second number on which it will be performed the addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, now after entering the input value by the user, our code should take decision based on the operation entered by the user. So if operation, okay, operation is equal to 1, okay, if operation is equal to 1, so in that case I have to perform addition. So I will print a, okay, a comma plus sign, okay, comma b, okay, a, and just a second, b, a comma b, okay, comma equal to comma add a comma b. Now here I am calling the function add. Okay, so it will perform the addition and it will return the value addition of a plus b. Okay, now let me get out of this if condition. Okay, so if this is not case, then if operation is equal to 2, if the operation is 2, then in that case it should print a comma subtraction sign comma b comma equal to comma. Now I will call sub functions sub a comma b. Okay, so it will perform subtraction of those number. Else if this is not the case, if operation is equal to 3, if suppose operation is equal to 3, then it should perform multiplication. So I just copy and paste here. Let me copy this one, copy, print. Okay, so here I am writing multiplication sign and here I am calling mul function. Okay, now if this is also not case, so if operation is equal to 4, okay, so it should print a division b is equal to b. It will call, if all these inputs are not available, in that case it should print in value. Okay, so now let me go through this once again. So initially I have created one function called additions, so it will return the addition of the number. Similarly subtraction, multiplication and division. After that I have returned some print statement. In this statement initially it welcome us in simple calculator and it asks to choose one option. So 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication and 4 for division. So I have created one variable which take input from the user 1, 2, 3, 4, and two numbers a and b from the user. So if the operation is 1, so in this case it will call the add function and perform the addition. If the operation is 2, it will call the subtraction function. If operation is 3, it will call the multiplication function. If operation is 4, it will call for the division function. If none of these options are entered, in this case it will print invalid option. So let me run this one and see. Let's see the output. Just a second. Okay, so here you can see it is welcoming us and ask for choose one option: 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, and 4 for division. So let me first perform addition operations. For that I have entered 1 over here. Now it is asking for a first number. Let me enter first number is 5 and second number is 10. Okay, so now it is printing 5 plus 10 is 15. Now let me run this again. So now it is showing again all these print statement. So now this time I want to perform multiplications. For that I will enter 3 over here. Okay, now it is asking for the first number. Let me enter 5. Now it is asking for second number, so let me enter 3. Okay, so here it is printing 5 multiplication 3 is 15. Okay, now let's perform another operation. So now this time I will perform division. So for that I will enter 4. Now it is asking for the first number, so let the first number is 30. Let second number is 15. So 30 divided by 15 is 2. So our code is working properly. Here we have built our simple calculator using conditional statement and functions. You can also build your own calculator by yourself. Next lecture. Thank you.